This is the Springview Manor annual car show in Lima, Ohio. I did a flyover to get a gauge of the show and was surprised at the size, but there were some nice cars on display and a bike or two. May have been larger, I'm not sure, because it was a cloudy day, as you can see. We saw some nice cars. We saw this Corvette, the silver. Man, really nice looking car. And just kind of moving along. Got a convertible, red Corvette looking good. Here's a Mercury Cougar. I used to like the Cougar. Yeah, by Mercury. That was one of the cars that was, or the manufacturers that was put out of business. Looks nice, clean. That looks good. And we've got an old Chevy here. It looks good. Look at that those white wall tires. Here we go. Here's a 55. Yeah, looks good. Boy, that paint job looks good. They did some nice, there was some nice cars here, I must admit. Check this out. Nice Nova 427. Yeah, that black looks pristine. Here's an old Caddy. I want to say 78, 77 or 78. I'm thinking it's a 78. Looks like the Lundau top was removed. The vinyl, the half vinyl top was removed from it. And we've got, I want to say this is a Subaru. Got somebody sitting in it. Interesting. I'm not sure what he was doing, but I didn't disturb him. And he's got his decaling on it. Here you go. Another 55. Boy, look how pristine that is. Yeah, and God bless America. And this is really nice. This is a 58 Chevy here. Look at that blue. Look at that. This is excellent. You know, the beautiful cars, just beautiful cars. Got a GTO here. I want to say a 67. Really nice. It's got a model of it on the breather. Got a turntable on the breather or something there, just showing a model of the car itself. Used to love the pinstripes, the red pinstripe tires that came with these. Beautiful color. I'm not sure if this is the same one. I've seen a few of these in this color. I love that color. GTO 67. And got another Cougar coming up. And really nice. Very nice. Check that out. Yeah, it's also got the red pinstripe tires. Yeah, I don't think those came with the tires, with the vehicles at the time. I think that was a Pontiac thing. Here's another 55. Look at that paint job. Oh man, that is so clean. There was, as I said, there were some very nice vehicles out here, and I really couldn't complain. Small, yes, the show was small, and check this out. Here's I want to say this is a Ford Fairlane, and you see the tray on top. There's a company called A&W. They may still be around. I remember them from Michigan, and they would come out, used to be on their skates, and they would take your order and then bring your order back on a tray and then sit it on the driver's side window It was really cool. And check this Mustang out, fastback. Oh, that's nice. Had a nephew had a '68 fastback. Oh man, that thing was fast, super fast. This is definitely clean. This is super clean, I tell you that. Yes, I like that. I really like that. Yes. And check this out. Oh, station wagon. Kind of a low ride there. Yeah, and check out the Plymouth. Yeah, that's clean. Really clean. Really clean. We have a few more cars down here along with this pickup here. This is an International Harvester that we're passing. Here's a Corvette roll here. Really, really nice looking vets here. Yeah. Here we go. Got a Pontiac Grand Prix here. I used to be a Pontiac man. I used to have a Pontiac Bonneville SSEI 1996. Man, that car was supercharged. That car was fast. Good looking Mustang convertible here. Man, that's good. Clean, isn't it? Look at that top. Just as clean as can be. Body clean. Yeah. Cutlass coming up. Get those wheels. Whoa. I love that paint job. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. And there we go. Check this Nova out. That looks like a vinyl top they've got on it. Wheels and tires look good. Coming back to the other side of this 1961 Chevy Impala station wagon. Clean. Love that two-tone. Love the wheels. Low rider look. That looks good. Yeah. We're going to kind of meander back up on the other side. Good looking. I want to say this is a Malibu convertible. I didn't get a good look at it. Coming up to, we've got a coupe here. This is a 1936 Ford Coupe. Look how clean that is. Check that color combination. Kind of the orange with the silver. Look at that. Man, I like the idea there, what's going on. And as I said, it was a nice show. And given, yes, that there was a few cars, but the cars that were there were nice. And hey, I just want to thank you for coming along with the ride and joining me. This is Al with the Car Show by Alex. Coming up on a Corvette. Had quite a few Corvettes out here. Got a Challenger. I want a Challenger, but I'm afraid I'm going to get one and wind up a splat on a wall somewhere where I just put my foot in it. Couldn't get my foot out in time. Chevy looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Very, very clean cars. I have to give it that. I think there is only one or two hoopties here. There's T-Bird. I want to say it's a 55, but man, look, it's nice. Very nice, very nice. I talked with the owner a couple of seconds. He's sitting behind it there. I actually asked him, was that his motorcycle right there? And he said, no, but this is my T-Bird. I remember seeing a bike like this at the True Kings MC motorcycle and car show, where they had the pipes coming out like that. Nice vet here, nice color, nice and clean. Hey, thank you so much. Don't forget to take a look at our other videos on my channel, the YouTube channel, The Car Show by Alex.